Getting a little bit of a late start today. I mean, not really. I was up at 7:30, but right now it's 11:30. And I am on my way to the school. Sorry, I'm gonna adjust my hand. On my way to the school because Wyatt wants to eat with me. So I'm gonna go have lunch with him. And then right after I get done eating lunch, I'm heading over to the storage locker. We've got a bunch of books we're gonna move, so I'll show you that whole process when we get there. I am here. I am getting ready to have some lunch. But I need to tell you, this is a long walkway to get into the school. I'm a fat guy. They need to shorten this thing up. I'm already out of breath. I've only taken about 10 steps. Today has been a pretty fantastic day. Normally on Fridays, I'm busting my hump to try to get out of the house, drop all the kids off, make sure I get to the storage locker so we can get some work done. But today, I got to wake up a little late, hang out with my two younger ones, Miles and Sarah, and then Wyatt, my first grader, wanted me to come and eat lunch with him. Got to spend, a couple hours watching Walker, Texas Ranger, greatest show ever created. Woohoo! Happy birthday, Chuck Norris. And then I ran across elementary school macaroni and cheese. Now, I know almost everybody's been to Dairy Queen. You know when you go and you get a Blizzard and they turn it upside down to show that it's really sticky? That was the mac and cheese. Put my fork under it, picked it up, turned it over, and it didn't move anywhere. I'm pretty sure I can still feel it moving down my chest. So, word of warning. If it looks like cement and it acts like cement, it's probably elementary school mac and cheese. Okay, so I made it to the bookstore. Now, I just wanted to show you, last time I was driving the van, that's really my wife's car. So I'm driving my Durango. Yay, horrible shot. And I was gonna take my little hoverboard thingy, but there's 3 reasons why I didn't. 1, I don't have one. 2, it's 30 miles away. And 3, it's 14 degrees. So I'm just gonna show you the Durango, because I've kind of made it indestructible. Now, I don't know if anybody knows, I am a military veteran, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. So I got my dog tags, I've got my Army steering wheel cover, and my Army little floor mats. So basically I made the thing Army strong, so it's indestructible. Hello, Senor Royer.
Hello, Senor. What was this book called?
Just saw was a little snippet of what we do at the bookstore. Now, we were moving books over to the new wood shelf we put in there because we're running out of room. But as it turns out, all the books we put over there, we need to move back over where they were. We're going to move some other books over there. Adds on a lot more work, but it'll work out better in the long run for what we needed to do. So I stopped by the store, got some things I needed. I'm on my way home, and I've got a little surprise for you guys when I get there.
Face mask with this.
I told you I had something special for you, so I'm going to play and sing you a song. Ready?
Wait.
Now, you know I can't make it that easy for you. So what I need you to do is like, subscribe, and then at the bottom, comment below. Tell me what song you want me to play or sing. I can't just play anything. So comment below, like and share, and subscribe. And we'll see what happens next time.
So just dance.